Here's the wheels. And now I'm going to put them on the car. So the car has currently got its original TT wheels, which are in a bit of a poor state. So these wheels are going to freshen it up and make it look good. They're in a style of the Sport TT, but this is what the car currently looks like. Always, always, always. I'll be loving you always. So the standard TT wheels, they're alright, but they need changing. So let's go and put these new wheels on and see what the car looks like, and then yeah, hopefully, well, it's going to look much better, that's for sure. Okay, so let's go and get them on. I can already hear you all saying, oh no, you put that alloy wheel on, you put the alloy wheel on without using some tape to protect the rims. Yes, you're right. So what I've done now is I've put some tape around that, which is going to protect it so it doesn't scratch the alloys, although they're not scratched. Nothing that I'm worried about. There's a little bit of mark, but it will buff out, so don't worry. But what do you think? Looks better red, doesn't it? So that's the back. There's your original front. Yeah, I think it looks good. Yes, and I know it is high, but it's going to be lower once we take the shocks down. So don't worry if it looks like it's a 4x4 at the moment. Right, so one done, 3 to go. Let's get on with it. I'll be loving you, be loving you, be loving you always, 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 always. I've just realised that I've actually got a gun in the garage, so I didn't have to use all that effort to try and get the wheel off. Typical. Right, let's crack on. Broke the ratchet. Found the original one. Let's try that. He ain't coming off. I'm gonna try the back. Always, always. I'll be loving you. I can only fit 3 of the wheels because you have one stuck on, so I'm gonna have to get some heavy artillery to get that off. Tune in. Okay, so I've got 3 of the wheels off. Unfortunately, I can't get the 4th one off because that's just stuck on. So I'm gonna have to get my son to bring back his heavy duty impact wrench and driver. I haven't got a long bar either. I did have a long bar, but that's gone missing when we move, so I'm gonna have to invest in one of those. Here's the other 3 wheels, as you can see. So they're in reasonably good condition. There are some nicks. You can see that there around the edges there. So they're going to need a little bit of refurbing. But you know, all in all, it's not bad. And here's my fourth wheel waiting to come on. So we'll get it on tonight, and then we'll take the car for a little run, and then that should be the wheels done. But this is how it looks at the moment.
Loving you, be loving you always. I'll be loving you, be loving you. Yeah,
it looks good. So I'm pleased with that. I think when you come down a little lower, well, when I say come down a little lower, you can see here, look at that gap. That is high. So with the shocks that I got, going to take it down at least 25 mil, so it will look a lot tidier and a lot tighter in with the body. So that should be soon. In the meantime, I'm going to take it for a drive when I get the fourth wheel in, because I'm not going to make it drive it now because it looks silly. But yeah, happy with that. So at least that's one conversion done and dusted. So that's it for me. Stay tuned and check out the pictures on Instagram. I'm going to take a few snaps there. So that's TTVR6_SYL. And we'll see you in the next mod.
Always, always.